Okay, hi everyone. I'm the team representative of Team ByteMe, which is a team project for the Digital Systems Design course, and we've made Steve, a voice recognition water dispenser. Please.
Steve.
I'm Amr al-Sadi, 34-MET, and I'll be explaining the voice recognition part in our project. And it's an Arduino, and it has an easy VR voice recognition shield, and it's could divide into groups that can test and listen to the voice. The first group has the keyword Steve. It has some recognition issues, so I'll just try it. Steve. Steve. And as we see, it can output some sound. It's saying, please speak the item you desire. And it says, greetings, it's Steve. And now it's going to a group where I can actually choose Pepsi or coffee. I'll go with coffee. Coffee. And then it tells you to place a cup to receive your beverage, where it allows the pump to work by allowing the values being sent from the Arduino to the FPGA to set a value where the pump will actually work in the relay. And the Arduino after that displays an last output message, which is also signed, and it sets the values back to 0 so it can actually turn off the face. And it says, it was pleasant serving you, and thank you. This is it.
Okay guys, I'm gonna talk you through the part in the Quartus code. My name is Yusuf Ibrahim 34-. Okay, first thing is the Steve face. Steve face has a 2 input and an output of 7 bits, okay? It had 4 states. First one is if all the bits are 0, then it's off. Some other recognition is happy, and the third one is sad, and the last one is neutral. Neutral is like not smiling, not sad, okay? Then we go to the decoder part. The decoder has an input of 3 bits and an output of 2 bits and a control. These are all the cases, especially 4 and 5 are happy coffee, happy Pepsi, because these are the ones that open the control. Now go to the relay. In the relay you have the sensor, and the output is a 2-bit output. We have the sensor is always, because it's an active load, and the relay is the opposite or the negation of the sensor. Okay, we go to the Steve, or the code where we call everything. We have the input, the Arduino, and the clock. We have the face, Steve's face, the relay, and the out decoder, and the control. First decoder takes the Arduino and outputs the out decoder. The out decoder is an input for Steve's face, which outputs face, and then the relay takes the sensor as we have described here, and the control and the relay itself as an input from the module Steve, and that's it.
Hello everyone, this is Usama Hussein, 34-. Okay, as an input, we take 3 wires from the Arduino connected through the regulators, 3.3 volt, to the FPGA. And then as an output from the FPGA, we take 7 wires that are connected to the face of Steve. Steve's face has 3 states. It starts as a sad face, and then once we give it the command, the Steve command, it enters the happy state. And then if we didn't say anything for a while, it enters the idle state. And then once we give it a command like Pepsi or coffee, it enters the happy state again, and opens the valve, of course. And then after it times out, the face just shuts down. And that's it.
My name is Karim Islam, 34-MET. So our input, an infrared proximity sensor. It controls our 2 states, supplying the water and not supplying it, controlled through the FPGA. The infrared proximity sensor is powered by the FPGA, and the inputs through the FPGA controlling controlling the inputs, outputs to the relay, which is powered by the Arduino because it needs a 5 volt. It needs a 5 volt supply. The the relay the relay is controlled by the FPGA, which supplies to the pump and on or an off state. This is the off state. When placing the cup, it doesn't work. And the on state, placing the cup powers up the pump. That's it.
And now to demonstrate how it works, Steve. He said, "Greetings, this is Steve. Please speak the item you desire." Pepsi. Pepsi. And now we place a cup. As we can see, the valve opens. And if we remove it, it shuts out. And he said, "I hope you liked your beverage. It was a pleasant serving you." That's it.